with a new and improved version that's slimmer, lighter, quieter, and even easier to use. The 3Doodler heats, then rapidly cools plastic, allowing instant 3D creation. And with no software or computers, the possibilities are limited only by your imagination. We've shipped over 130,000 first-generation 3Doodlers, and our community has used them to create amazing things, from jewelry to RC planes, fully 3Doodle dresses, architectural models, and even writing Braille. It was because of the support of this Kickstarter community that we were able to make the 3Doodler dream a reality. To say thank you, we've decided to that gives you the freedom to 3Doodle on the go. To help kickstart creativity in the classroom, we've created a special educational bundle and stencils that you can download for free. And it's filled with how-to videos and images of inspiring creations from around the world.